Let's just go to level 5. This is like what they use in Pilates. Okay, you're pretty good. So that's going to target kind of that mid back and get you a little strong. You got good muscle there. And then from here, going into these positions and kind of working through here. Sam likes the double Theragun.
Oh, yeah.
Well, he's 6'4", but after he leaves here, I'll do 6'5". Woo! Well done. Cradle you like a baby. Let it all go. Oh my goodness. All right, brother.
Thank you, Doc.
A lot of times you see chiropractors giving adjustments and you see a montage like we just showed you. On the second half of this video, we're going to go into assessment and figure out why we're adjusting, where we're adjusting, and so you have a better understanding of what we do as chiropractors. I hope you find this valuable and educational. If you like it, click like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.
What's going on, man? How you doing?
Good to see you. Well, Sammy comes in and gets adjusted about once a month. He's in our VIP plan. So people who aren't in a lot of pain all the time, but just want to keep on their maintenance, keep their body working and operating tip-top shape, set up on the VIP plan. So that's what Sammy's doing. So we're gonna see what's going on with Sam.
Just still kind of working with that shoulder tightness. I've had a couple massages in the last month, and I just feel like as I'm getting older, I'm just getting more and more susceptible to, like, I feel like there might be something around the corner, and I want to get ahead of that.
Yeah,
Instead of having like something bad happen. So
we have these new little back extension bridges. I was gonna see what your back extension is kind of doing. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can be at level 5. Older patients, maybe just level 1, level 2, who have degeneration. Let's just do a little quick test where you are on your extension. Because I know in your car, you being so tall and your work, you're sitting down, so you're hunched over, and that's going to be pulling on the rhomboids and those paraspinals.
yeah,
It's good you're doing massage, but let's find out where you're at.
I'm interested.
Let's just go to level 5 to begin with. This is like what they use in Pilates. So we're gonna have you sit your butt down here and see if we even need to do level 1, level 2, and see where you're at. Lay back as is. Okay, you're pretty good. But you're not level 5, so let's pull this out. So let's start, yeah, at least at level 2, bring it all the way back. See where your extension is. How's that feeling on that level?
It feels nice.
Yeah, it feels nice. All right, so level 2 passed. Let's go to the next level. Level 3. Lift up your head. Let's go. Let's give you a little, look at that neck. Does that help a little bit?
Just a little.
Come back up.
Alright.
All right, this is level 4. Legs out straight if you can. And ideally, actually, you're over here. Yeah, does that feel wild?
I mean, it definitely feels like something I should be doing more of.
Level 4. Now, is that painful in that position?
No, it's definitely pushing things, but
Pushing things.
like in a good way. It feels like the right thing to be doing, you know?
So this might be a good adjunct therapy for you to do at home. Is that painful in that position?
It's not, but I feel like I'm not going all the way.
Mm-hmm. All right, well,
Oh,
your
man.
back extension's good though.
Everybody should do that every day. Jeez, why don't we?
Now, I think it's good that you're doing the massage, getting in there. Strength-wise, are you doing any rows?
Not really. All I'm doing is like pull-ups.
It's kind of working the lats.
Yeah.
Probably want to work and strengthen this area.
Yeah.
But let's go over some single rows
Okay.
and just kind of see where you're at. You're just going to be in this position.
Okay.
And we're just going to hold you in with the 25s.
Okay.
Just do an isometric, and then after, make sure that you're in a good position in the spine. Then we're going to go 4 seconds down, hold, 1, 2, up, hold. Okay? So as it's down here, push through that, yeah, right there.
Okay.
Good. Now bring that up, hold here. Let's bring that elbow a little closer to you. Hold right there. So we're working right in here. And this is kind of where you've been having that pain. So just a 10-second hold. Good. Now slowly lower down. Pulling back up.
Okay.
Getting that here.
Oh, yeah.
Keep it right. Keep that elbow tight. You're really working, focusing on that scapular position. Now slowly go down. 4, 3, 2, 1. pull. 1, 2, up. Good. So we're targeting right there. Good. Let's go other side. Now pull up. And now what you're gonna do? Yeah, there you go. Hold there. Bring that elbow a little closer. You can drop it down right there. And then really push through this and kind of broaden, like push into my hands. Yeah, there you go. See how you? Yeah. So you're not really activating right there. It's kind of collapsing. Good. Now slowly go down for 3, 2, 1. Bring it back up. Hold there, yeah. And you're always watching kind of that trap, because that trap wants to take over. Now slowly go down for 3, 2, 1. And then pull. Really targeting here. And then broaden, push through this hand. Good. Yeah, even out. And then if you wanted to, you can extend this leg off the table. Boom. Oh man, yeah, that's advanced. Slowly come back down. So let's add that to your repertoire. Put your hands on the side. You're just going to bring your belly into it. Bring your arms out to the side like you're flying. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to bring this down, expand. Pull through there. And then what we can do is start to add weights. Whoa. And then get some T's in there. Right there. Oh, just kind of roll into it. Just play around. Get that belly in there. Feet out, extended. Pretend like you're flying. That's right. Yeah, there you go. And then in this position, tuck the chin just so the neck is long. Good. Okay. So hold in there. Good. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly just round over the ball. Just feel that expansion right there. Drop the knees down even. Just kind of just love that. Yeah. Good. Now open back up. And then you're bringing them down here. You could also take them more into a T position to kind of change the angles. Right there. Tuck the chin, long neck. Good. Flying. And then thumbs maybe.
Oh, did you have it like this? Or?
Yeah, like more thumbs up that way. Yeah. You're kind of screwing the shoulders into the socket.
Yeah.
And then you're really good. Now slowly go over again. 10 seconds where you just kind of let that you just contract it. Now you want some blood flow.
From here, kind of all at once.
Tuck that chin. Yeah. Good. Excellent. So that's going to target kind of that mid back and get you a little strong. You got good muscle there.
Okay.
But that's going to, where it's so much flexion all day, this is going to be a great one. Now, if you do want to get that stretch and activation, what we're going to do is you're going to bring this across your body. And once you get that little stretch on it, now your elbow is going to push into the ball. I'm going to hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drag it over a little more. Push down into the ball. Try that.
Yeah. Go in like this.
Yeah, you're going to have this other hand kind of on the ball, kind of stabilizing, kind of like that.
Okay.
So you're going to bring your arm across, press into the ball with your elbow. So bring it across. Once you kind of feel that stretch with the elbow, you're going to draw your shoulder blade towards the spine as you do this.
Right.
Yeah. This guy, you're going to kind of draw towards.
So I'm like kind of pushing back that way.
And then you're kind of, pushing into the ball. There you go. And then release as you exhale and move further away into the stretch. So you exhale and go more into the stretch, allowing the shoulder blade to move away from the spine.
I see.
And opposite arm. So inhale and press into the ball with your elbow as you attempt to bring this closer to the spine.
I see.
Can you feel that in that target area?
Oh, yeah.
I'll give you a bunch of different ball exercises. As far as like your warm-ups, going into kind of a just tabletop on it.
Yeah.
Right? And then from here, going into these positions and kind of working through here. Just play around. Let's have you lie face down. Sam likes the double Theragun. Funny story, 2 Halloweens ago, we went downtown Santa Cruz. Sam shows up in all black, one of those bodysuits, 2 Theraguns on the edge of his hand. So he was like, kind of like Edward Scissorhands, but he was like Edward Theragun hands. But he was just all in black, going around town just trying to Theragun people, mostly freaking people out. But what was funny is like, yeah, girls were definitely freaked out, didn't want to have anything to do with it, but then they would have like a guy in the group, and the guy would be like, I want that. And then as soon as you put those Theraguns on those traps and just get those going, then the girls were like, okay, I'll try that, because the guys would be like, oh, that feels so good. Double Theragun. Yeah, don't stop with one. I don't know why people don't do that. Like, get 2 Theraguns, you and your partner at home, just go up and down the spine, even if it was for like 5 minutes. That's all you need. Just reset, because you can see like right here on Sam, this is a big part of his problem. This is where he rounds. He's 6'5" on a good day. Well, he's 6'4", but after he leaves here, he'll be 6'5". But right here just gets so compressed throughout the day, especially because he drives Toyota Camry that he doesn't fit in. So all through here, we're just gonna go all the way down. You ever do the bottom of your feet? Ah, yeah. Get in that plantar fascia. Yeah, get around these QLs. Woo. Yeah, you're a little twisted, my friend, right here.
Oh,
well, let's open that up with an adjustment. Deep breath in. Exhale. Oh yeah, jeez. One more breath. Very good. Let's get this lower one too. Inhale. Let it all go. Good job. Let's have you lie face up. We're gonna do an anterior dorsal, cradle you like a baby. Let it all go. Oh my goodness. Easy does. Well done. Let's get that low back. Now this guy had some bad sciatica. We couldn't really get this lower one with that, so we're gonna get a little, yeah, let that just, ooh! Oh boy. Let's tuck that shoulder a little. Yeah, this table is made for hobbits, not for Vikings. Right there. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Woo! Slide right there. Good. We're just going to do a little drop table on this lower one. There we go. Slide back just a hair more. I want that vertebra right there. Good. 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 One more. 2 more. There we go. So we got some good motion, movement. All right, brother.
Thank you, Doc.
Great seeing you, Sam.
Always.
Yeah. Just take some breaths, absorb that. If you need to, we can have you just lay down, just kind of relax for a little bit. That was some big adjustments.
Long overdue.
Long overdue.
Wow.
All right.
Thank you.